La Segreta al Bianco. These labels we produce take their name from the bush surrounding Ulmo. Ulmo is the beating heart of our wineries, the place that first became property of the Planeta family, a truly magic place above Lago Rancio. The wine is a blend of 50% of Grecanico, the most important white grape variety of the area of Menfi, and in addition to this, the blend is then completed by Chardonnay, Fiano, and Viognier. I believe that as a blend, it is able to entail in a sole bottle many of the perfumes of the Sicilian spring: orange blossom, acacia, herbs growing around the vineyards, and then also the warmer perfume of the Scotch broom, still maintaining a nice freshness and a good drinkability. It finds its ideal place as aperitivo, with appetizers, with some pasta with seafood. It is our great pride. All the grapes are coming from our very own production. It is a great teamwork that hopefully is able, and this is our deep wish, to bring a slice of Sicily all over the world. Salute!